there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a beautiful and serene moment that happened on a hill when it was raining heavily. Imagine the raindrops falling softly, creating a gentle melody as they hit the ground. The air was filled with the fresh, earthy scent of rain, and the hill was so close, you could almost touch it. This scene is a perfect example of how nature can be both calming and awe-inspiring at the same time. It's moments like these that remind us to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. So the next time you're out and about, take a moment to enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world around us. Cheers.